So for this problem, the family of curves, then from this given, so what is the differential equation of the family of lines passing through point 5 and negative 7? So using this point slope formula, so y minus y sub 1 equals m, that's the slope, times x minus x sub 1. Then from the given point, so this is x sub 1 and y sub 1. So we need to substitute these values to this formula. So this becomes y then minus y sub 1. So this is negative 7 then equals the slope then times x minus x sub 1, that's positive 5. Then to simplify, so this double negative, so this becomes positive, then equals, you distribute, so this is m times x, then distribute, so negative 5m, so this is now the equation. Then observe from this equation, there is only one arbitrary constant, and that's m. So therefore, we only need to find the first derivative. So from this equation, to find the first derivative, the derivative of y, so this is y prime then plus the derivative of a constant, this one is 0, then equals the derivative of a constant and a variable. So this is equal to the constant, then minus the derivative of a constant, this one is 0. So therefore, y prime equals m. Then to eliminate this arbitrary constant, so we need to substitute this y prime from this equation. So therefore, this m becomes y prime. So from this equation, so we have y plus 7 then equals m is equal to y prime then times x then minus 5 times m, and m is equal to y prime. So observe there is no more arbitrary constant, so therefore we need to equate this equation to 0. So just transpose this y to the other side and this positive 7 to the other side. So this becomes y prime times x then minus 5 times y prime. Then this becomes negative y and also negative 7 then equals 0. Then to simplify, so we can group these two terms. So we have y prime times x minus 5 times y prime. Then also we need to group these two terms since this one is negative. So we need to put the negative outside. So therefore this negative y becomes positive y. And this negative 7 becomes positive 7 because we put this negative outside. And this is equal to 0. Then we can factor out y. So this becomes x minus 5 times y prime then minus y plus 7 equals 0. Then we need to change this y prime to dy. So therefore this becomes x minus 5 times dy then minus for this term. Since there is no y prime, so we need to add dx. So this becomes y plus 7. Then again, we need to add dx equals 0. So this is now the differential equation.